Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Robi Kuncoro. My number is 60. In Honorable Dr. Masaro as the supervising lecturer, here I will explain my research proposal with the title Ergonomic Risk Analysis on the Work of Porters at Rice Companies in East Java use the SNI 9011-2020 method. I took this research motivated by number one, many manual handling jobs are carried on out in Indonesia. Musculoskeletal disorders caused by not using any tools or because of wrong posture. It was recorded that 568 million work-related musculoskeletal disorders were increasingly occurring in work. From the data obtained during the Goodluck survey conducted on porter worker at rice companies, there were 58% of workers affected by high musculoskeletal disorders, 27% moderate, and 15% low. This proves that the workers are affected by musculoskeletal disorders. I use this method in this research because of the completeness of this method, starting from the survey to the ergonomic hazard assessment. In this research purpose is identify ergonomic hazard and assess high or low ergonomic risk of factors at risk companies based on SNI 9011. Number two, provide recommendation for effective risk control in accordance with the provision of the Minister of Manpower Regulation number 5 of 2018. In my literature review, manual handling. In this case, the activity carried out is transporting goods from the warehouse to the container truck. Number two, GOTA. Musculoskeletal disorders are disorders of the musculoskeletal system, such as injury or dysfunction is muscle, bones, tendons, and ligaments. The ergonomic control that can be carried is by using a control. There is elimination, substitution, engineering control, administration control, and use of personal protective equipment. Anthropometry is a study of measuring the dimensions of the human body. In this study, measurements were carried out using Permenaker number 5 of 2018 to determine the dimension of tools suitable for use by workers. The sets flowcharts. There is start after the literature review, occupational musculoskeletal disorder survey, ergonomic risk assessment, and anthropometry. In this field study, work area observation, work activity observation, worker insight. After that, problem formation and goal setting. After that, data collection. The data, two data. There is primary data and secondary data. Primary data is of occupational musculoskeletal disorder survey, documentation of work posture, and secondary data, any company overview. After that, processing and analysis of data. After that, processing of contract survey data and ergonomic risk assessment in the workplace. After that, providing a recommendation, there is elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative control, and personal protective equipment. After that, recommendation for improvement in the form of substitution. If no, there is finish. If yes, after that, ergonomic risk assessment after repair. After that, this assessment result are in the category safe to perform work. If no, we return providing recommendation. If yes, there is the finish. The essence of my research methodology is starting with a GoTrack survey, then containing with SNI 9011, then continuing with anthropometric calculation to calculate the tools that will be submitted to company procurement. I think enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.